He whakaaturanga mo taku he pueru matariki te mahi e whakatairanga ana I ngā kai hoa hoa Māori moana nui anō hoki. E ki ia nei ko oho mairangi. Koinei whakahaerehia ki roto o Kirikiriroa, koinei pea tētahi o ngā whakaaturanga nui rawa o te ao pueru poronehia I tēnei ao. I haere tō tātou tangata a Moana Makapeluli.
Pia tāta rawa na te pō I ngā kākahu papai I te huinga nui whakaharahara o oho mairangi.
Pai ki nā kākahu he tangata kākahu ke pai au ki nā kākahu katoa.
I've got a daughter in there that was modelling for make, so I'm a bit biased about that.
Ko ngā whetū e iwa o matariki whakatinanahia I te whakaaturanga o ngā rārangi kākahu, me ngā kaiwhakari o ngā mautere e iwa o te moana nui a kiwa.
My husband's grandmother is from here, and her name was Te Hui Katapa. And the moment they asked us to show here, I said yes straight away.
Speak fashion industry is like actually growing. The industry itself is growing, so and having lots of shows and giving the designers the opportunity to showcase their talent. It's good.
He huinga ariki, he huinga rangatira anō hoki.
The future of Māori fashion and Pacific fashion is looking very bright. Indigenous worldviews are taking over the world, and people are enjoying Indigenous art and understanding and appreciating it more, and some of that is fashion.
He wā anō ki te tiro whakamua, I ēnei wā ku raruraru mō ngā pakihi Māori Pasifika anō hoki.
We've been very lucky in that our business is not tourism dependent. We went quiet for a couple of months or so, and then we picked up again. Export carried on, and I think because of the COVID, maybe people wanted more dresses to cheer themselves up. I don't know, but we did fine. We were fine.
If you're talking about small businesses here in New Zealand, the budget 2021, that gave us some money to be able to focus on how to support them to recover and recover quickly. And so there's not only a Pacific package, but you've also got the overall focus of the government with the wage subsidy, and that will continue to kind of that support.
Actually having this incorporation of the Pacific Island to be part of the Matariki festival, it's actually great.
He oe e manawa ora tonu ana ēnei kairaranga, kei te piata rawa hoki ngā rā keitua mo te rāngai kākahu. Moana Makapeluli, Te Karere.